Hey, what's up guys? Here's my quick review for the Alpicool C50. Here's my little setup. I'll make it quick. Here's my little setup. 2.5 amps and 56 volts. So I should run this thing for about 2 hours or less or more, it depends. Here's a little tip. Plug into a wall, get the right temperature. After that, plug your setup. You can buy a jackery from Amazon. Here's what I like from Ego. I have a lot of stuff from Ego, so I go with that kind of setup. I'll make a little test. 2.5 amps, 56 volts, 15 degrees to minus 3 in 30 minutes with that barrier. Now it runs since maybe like 1 hour, yeah. 1 hour with a kind of barrier, 15 degrees to minus 3 in 30 minutes, and it runs since 1 hour. I should have maybe 45 minutes or 1 hour left, but I have 2 or 3 battery, 10 amps, 56 volts, so I can run this thing for maybe like 24 hours, 1 day, maybe less. It depends. Inside, pretty cold, pretty cold. This is not stainless steel. This is not stainless steel, but a little bit pricey. $566 Canadian. For what you have, for what you pay, it's okay. But I'm pretty happy with that kind of setup. So yeah, that's it.
I think you can hear that. It's kind of loud. I don't know how it's going to go camping in the car, but I will say the size of it is great. You'll be able to stand up a bottle of wine in there and fit quite a bit of stuff in the freezer section. And the little freezer section, I think will do a loaf of bread and some frozen peas and other frozen bits. It's not huge, but I think car camping, for one, I think it's a great size. I'm just really worried about this noise. So this is the Alpicool. It's the, I think the 33 quart size. I like that it's got the handles on the ends. I'm going to be using them to mount it in the car or brace it with a tie down strap. So that's pretty cool. Can you hear that noise? That worries me.
This is my Alpicool 30-liter that I just got from Amazon. It arrived damaged. As you can see, it's pretty well dented in on the side here. I don't know how well you can tell, but it's pretty well curved in. Here you can very much see dented in good here. This plate is popped out of place. The box that it arrived in was damaged. Had, been dropped somewhere along the line, and the impact did it. There was no damage to the packaging itself, but this, however, did not make it out very well. There are 2 screws under here that held it on, but this thing is jacked up. Bummer, Alpicool. Bummer.
With them. the KOA's gonna be happy with us.